Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now consider this as a part 2 to the video I made earlier about for like acrylic pouring for beginner that says you don't need pouring medium, you don't need silicone oil, you don't need alcohol to make cell, you don't need all of them to pour to get a good pour. Now excuse me if you can hear this. There's some music playing outside because I'm shooting this inside of my school, and the Chinese students are actually doing their military service. So yeah, that's the sound in the background. And also excuse my voice, I'm dealing with a cold right now, but nothing can stop me from getting a video out. Nothing can stop me from pouring. So let's get it going. What we got today? Today, I'm just gonna catch up with you about why I only give you advice to just first invest in paint. Because if you can see here today, apart from the white, I have these three colors. Now, these three colors are actually from three different brands. We start with the Pthalo blue. It's from a Chinese brand called Marte. This mid yellow is from Mont. And also this blue Iridescent violet blue is actually from Pebeo. Now, I want you guys to actually experiment more with different type and different brand of paint, so that I want you guys to first get the hang of it, of what brand is capable of doing what, and which color is capable of doing what. That's when you feel more confident with the pouring. And then as long as I want you to first feel confident with the medium, and then that's when pouring medium, all the extras comes in. Without any further ado, let's start. Today I'm gonna demonstrate again another flip cup, the easy one. The paint is still the same, very runny. Gonna add white in the background. Wait, let me see if I can get you guys to see how runny this thing is. See? Hello? Yeah. Let's start with the Pthalo blue. Mid yellow. And the Iridescent. And as you can see in the cup, there's, I don't know, the light is kind of dim in here, but you can definitely see the green in there caused by the yellow and blue mixed together. I would flip, and then I'm just gonna say a bit before I go any further. Now, I want to show you the result of the first pour, the universe. Here it is, all dried. Didn't come out as dark as I thought it would be. If you can see, yeah, turns out great. There's still a lot of detail still stuck into it. Yep. And yeah. And also, if you want to learn how the paint consistency actually, the thin and the thick paint, how it affect the result of the pour. These two, actually, I made these two. There's a video about it. I'll link both video, the video of the universe and this, down in the description box below. So make sure you check the description box and check out the video. And without further ado, I'm just gonna add the white around. There you go, right up to the edge. Okay. Gonna use this, you know, for beginner. Again, once you spread the base color to the edge, it's gonna be better and easier for the paint in the cup to flow and to stretch out. Oh, I love this weather, you know, like I caught a cold. It's hard to avoid catching a cold. Like it was 37 degrees Celsius like 3 days ago, and then it dropped down to 21 degrees all of a sudden. Now let's let's lift the cup. Okay. Just gonna let it flow a bit. As you can see, I don't know if you can see from up there, but there's already cell forming here. Let's begin. Let's see. I'm gonna get the edges covered. Excuse me, because I'm sorry, I can't stand the edge uncovered once the paint dry. I can't stand the fact that the edge is untouched once the paint dried, so yeah, as you can see the result, there's also like cell forming up with the phthalo blue. Let me clean my hand a bit, and I'm gonna use a blowtorch to torch it. There you go, this is my best friend. Let's see if I can get it to start. Sure. I'm gonna pop some bubble. And oh my god. You can actually see the yellow popping through. Let me move it into the center of the screen real quick. There you go. I'm just gonna give you guys a close-up look. Oh, how am I supposed to get this off? There you go. As you can see, there's definitely cell. And ooh, I love this. I love this part right here, look. I'm still contemplating like how to look at this cell. Whether like this is better, I mean, like that is better, or like this is better. I'm gonna have to turn this around. I'll be back real quick. So there you have it. Turn this thing sideways. I kind of love how, you know, there's an accent of pink up in here. And the cell that's made by the Pthalo blue, I mean, this is what I want you guys to learn. It's actually how I know exactly the tendency of this type of Pthalo blue that tends to make cell. So yeah, that's what I learned, and now I'm really feeling confident with it. And yeah, this is a catch up of the last video. I'm gonna bring you guys on another close-up and slow motion shot of the cell, and of course you can expect the background music. So there you have it, guys. That's the second video about, you know, the acrylic pouring for beginner. I hope you like it, and if you really like it, leave the video a thumbs up, and yeah, please click subscribe and also hit the bell button for, you know, you will get notified if I post a new video. And yes, stay strong, experiment more, enjoy life, and enjoy some color pouring. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.